So in this work problem, we have two people that will be building a recording studio together, and we're trying to find out the rate or how long it will take them to build it when they are working together. So if we take a peek at what is given to us, looks like we have one student, in this case Jack, said you could build it in 12 days. So Jack's rate is 1/12. And then Adams said she could do it in 16 days. So her rate is 1/16. Now their rate together, we'll call it 1/x. So we're just solving this rational equation rather. So to get a common denominator, our denominator will be 48x. So we would have multiplied the first fraction by 4x over 4x, the second fraction by 3x over 3x, and the final fraction by 48 over 48. So at this point, we can then multiply both sides by 48x. When we do that, the denominators would simplify out, leaving us with 4x plus 3x equals 48. So we have 7x equals 48. So dividing both sides by 7, we get 48 over 7, which ends up being about 7 1/7 days. So we'll round up, it will take them 8 days of work to finish the recording studio.